Hi friends, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel.
Let's talk about the bulletproof growth strategy, but delve into the growth mindset. Now, whenever people say growth mindset, it's generally fluff, but this isn't fluff. This is really important that you follow these rules, otherwise the growth formula will fail. In order to grow, you need to understand that it doesn't matter how your first 100 videos perform. Don't get romantic. You know, you make 10 videos and then you wait around for a week, you wait to see if people are watching you, you Google videos and look up other videos on YouTube to see ones that are like yours and how they're performing. You like to picture it at like 10,000 views and you're hoping, stop, who cares? Just produce 100 videos completely unemotionally and detached. Pump passion and energy into your videos, but when it comes to looking at how they perform and how it resonates with your audience, just don't give a crap about it for 100 videos. Trust me, this will benefit you long term. And I get it. I understand that I may be, taking down some of those walls and pre-established ideas and notions that you may have. And you may not even like thinking about content creation that way. You don't have to, okay? Like, you don't have to actually follow my advice in this course. You can go ahead and do what you want. But this is all power to you. This is a weapon I'm giving you. It's the ability to be able to dominate search rankings and outperform your competition. And it is a little bit nasty, but it's gonna work. Don't worry about your first 100 videos. Just worry about producing them. Every second that you save not thinking about it is a second you can be pumping into another video. Number 2, produce at least 1 video a day. Nader, that's hard. I have work on some days. I gotta go to school. Great. Grab a camera, sit down, and look, I just got a comment, and produce 10 videos in a day. Just sit there, like, right now, grab a notepad, right? Okay, I'll pick any niche in the world. Gaming. Okay, I don't know a thing about gaming, but I could think of 10 video ideas. Doing a let's play. Second video is talking about how you got into gaming. Third one is how to game affordably if you don't have money. 4 is a review of which gaming console is the best. Number 5 is your favorite gamers. Number 6 is your favorite games of the year. Number 7, most affordable games of the year. Number 8, old games that are still fun to play now. Number 9, see, I'm almost at 10 videos and I don't know a thing about gaming, and I picked that niche just out of the air. I could have done that with anything. So you need to think of stuff like that and then just sit down and pump out the videos in one day. And get this, if you can change up your environment, because your viewers will be able to tell, they're not dumb, don't get me wrong, I understand, I get the nuance, but if you sit down and you make, let's say, 10 videos in a day and you try and produce them all at once, run into the next room and produce the second video. And what you're going to do is schedule these uploads. You're not going to produce them and upload them all in one day. You're going to go to YouTube, upload them, and schedule an upload. If you don't know how to do that, you can keep watching it. I'm going to introduce that later on in the course. Oh, please, I cross my fingers I don't forget. People always get mad at me about that. But if you don't know how to schedule a YouTube upload, I should be letting you know. When you go to upload a video, you just go from public videos and you change it to scheduled. But I will show you. Then don't strategize. Just follow your niche and produce like a machine. Stop thinking about what's the best way to get this shot. How am I? Like, that happens when you have 10, 20, 30,000 subscribers. But for now, no one's going to find you if you don't aggressively produce. I'm sorry, but the marketplace is saturated. So the only way you can overcome that is being super talented and obtaining a lot of watch time and shares, which takes talent. It's more rare. Or you can produce like a machine and produce either mediocre or good quality content. But the way that you produce it is in such a way that you're reeling in viewers no matter what. So once you get your base audience, which takes a little bit longer, you can then produce the more, incredible hero content videos. So don't strategize, just follow your niche, produce like a machine. And each video is seen as an opportunity or soldier. So it doesn't matter. You have some weak soldiers, you have some strong soldiers, but no matter what, every time you produce a video, you produce a soldier. So you need to say subscribe at the beginning of each video. I will probably repeat myself because these are points I believe in, they're values, and they're important. So I will say this again. Everything I'm showing you here is a specific mindset. It's not secrets. It's not like I'm going to tell you clap your hands 3 times and jump up and down, and that's a secret no one told you, and now your YouTube channel is going to grow. No, it's the way I am showing you is a particular bulletproof strategy that is going to work. If you don't have time to produce videos every single day, you can sit down for an hour and produce 3 or 4, okay? And they don't have to be super high quality. If you vlog or you put your face on your channel, then simply, if you have a phone, you can live stream. It will upload immediately. So if you don't have time to do a video one day, whip up the YouTube Studio Creator app, Google it in the App Store, do a live stream for 3 minutes, and bam, you have an upload up. It's that simple. Follow this. I'm going to attach this and keep going. I know you guys can do this, and I'm excited to move on.